Hey, it's Ryan O'Connor here, and if you're watching this video, it means you're potentially interested in taking this high-level course. Now, this is not just about GoHighlevel. This is about building a subscription revenue model company based off of the GoHighlevel platform. Now, why should you take this course? Well, for one thing, it has taken me almost a year to put this course together. At one stage or another, I have been number 4 affiliate in the world for HighLevel. I have a growing community of amazing people around me in and around my affiliate network, and all of the experience I have of having my own agency and with SaaS mode, my own software as a service organization built off of the back of that led me to build this course, which is 3 things. The first thing is the theory and all of the 15 years of sales and growth experience that I'm taking from working in software companies to try and condense that into really the most important things that you're going to need to know around what is product-led growth, what is unit economics, what is the marketing mix, and why should the marketing mix matter to me when I think about starting a software company, and how do you apply that directly into HighLevel before you even start to think about learning HighLevel, the platform and the features and the functionality. The second thing is all of the functionality that is going to matter most to you. I'm going into levels of detail that you've probably never gone into before. This has taken me the most amount of time. I've got a team in the Philippines that are constantly working on this for me every single day of the week. And because HighLevel is such a fast-moving, ever-evolving software program, and they're just continually shipping features, it was like painting the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Every time I got to a point where I thought I've captured everything, we had to start again and go and update because a user interface change or a new product change or a new feature change. And so this course is designed to be fluid. Don't think of it as something that you would take once and never go into ever again. It is a fluid course that's going to be continually updated. It's ever evolving, and that's for 2 reasons. The first reason is it's constantly changing. So if we need to go back and change a lesson, if we need to add new lessons because of new features and functionality, you're not going to have to go and buy a new course. New areas of this course are going to be made available to you. You only ever have to pay once, lifetime guaranteed, and it's going to be the best investment you could ever make in your own high-level education. But also, I think it would be almost like going and attending a small little startup school where they give you the tools in which to think about how to build a business which has the propensity to scale beyond just you. And so what you're looking for is time freedom and a business that scales beyond your investment in time. The third thing, and the other reason why this is an extremely fluid and dynamic course, is because after the theory and after going into all of the details around HighLevel and its features and functionality and some of the business theory, you might already know all of that, right? You might already be an expert. But what I've done is I have built a brand new SaaS company. I didn't have a brand, I had nothing. So I literally started with a blank page. And when I say a blank page, I mean a blank Chrome tab. I didn't have a brand. I went in, figured out a brand name. I got a domain name. I registered it from scratch. And I sat here and I filmed the entire thing. And I'm still filming. So every time I get to a little milestone where I've acquired, 10 new free trials, I have 10 new customers, how I'm going around onboarding them, what am I building to help onboarding that process, all of those things, I'm continually adding this in. So you can follow along because most of that early stuff is already in the course, but you can follow along, as I say, like having access to a mentor, but not in real time. You can do it at your own pace. You've got access to me. You can reach out to me and ask me any questions at any time. I have a Slack channel dedicated to anybody who signs up for this course where you can ask absolutely anything. And of course, the comments in the membership area is there as well. So as I say, this goes into a lot of details. I think there is over 100 separate videos that were created just to get the baseline course content out. It took me a long time. It has taken me such a long time to put this together, but I had a blast putting it together with me and my team around the world. I hope it delivers an incredible amount of value, because the reason I started to do this course was because I started to put content out on YouTube, and I got an amazing feedback loop from people in the HighLevel community that weren't necessarily thinking about it in certain terms. And then you know, I came from a classic software kind of revenue background, and they said that I made them think about it differently, and it changed the direction that they were going to go, and they're going to do this, and this guy was going to be a teacher, and then he decided to do this. And those are the stories I love hearing, where someone was potentially feeling like they'd hit some roadblocks or hit some areas of confusion or been hit with analysis paralysis. You don't know, there's too much. Where do I go? How do I focus, right? Then this is designed to help you with that. And of course, it's going to give you access to all of the information you need, but you get to pick and choose which areas you want to focus on. And you can, of course, follow me along sequentially. But if you're further along in your own agency and your own journey as a software as a service company, if you don't even have SaaS mode yet, maybe you're just selling sub accounts manually. It doesn't matter, right? But the idea is that we want to get products into customers' hands, and they can use those products without us needing to do a ton of fulfillment on the back end. HighLevel is the opportunity of 2023 and beyond to give anyone with any skill level this level of opportunity to build a company right here in your home, right? And give yourself financial freedom, time freedom. Now, it will take some hard work. It is not going to allow you to flick some sort of magical switch and become a multi-millionaire overnight and go and sit on a beach. And this is why this is not filmed with a boat and palm trees and things in my background, is because I work all the time. I love working. I love being an entrepreneur. I don't do this so I can go and sit on a beach. I probably only do that a couple of times a year. And that's because I live in Australia near a beach, right? So please, if you don't feel confident, take the free sample courses, have a look, then sign up. I think I've priced this adequately so that it is accessible to anyone who's willing to make a time investment in themselves, but not so expensive that it's out of reach of the average person. So that's me. This is my course. Get on down, have a look at it. And I'd love to hear what you think. If you do end up taking my course, please reach out and let me know how it's changed your life for the better, and hopefully not ever for the worse. Thanks for your time.